Hello, I'm Nehemiah, and today is part 2 of how to build a bird cage. And it's really confirming everything, and I'm really going to be talking about how to set it up and how to finish talking about how to make it. So first, make sure you make all the base. Don't put the graveling right after you make the base. Then put your post in one, then put one on the other side, all at the way in. Then lift up how you need like at least maybe 2-3 people. Lift up the long piece. This is one board, one log, and you just lift that up, and then you put that there. But first, forgot to mention this. Put your support beams down there before you put your thing up here, else it'll fall down. Make sure you put that there first. That's really important. Then put your thing on top. Put that there. Do it on the next side. The same thing. And then afterwards you put the board across, putting it on top of the other board, main board. And then you might need about 10 of these for 16 thing, or 8. I don't really know exactly the number. Then you put your furring strips. Then you take your metal roofing, and put it on top of those and put your screws in those furring strips. And then make sure everything's sealed. Then make sure it's just about the size of the door over there, main door. And then make sure you have a walkway to get up that. Never cut this piece because you don't want to trip and fall and step up on it. Just put a ramp there like I did, and never cut that, because if you cut that, your cage will fall that way, like that. So you don't want that to happen. So make sure you keep in mind that. And now you're talking about setup. Make sure you have your water thing, where the water is. The egg box. Depends on how many females you got. Trees. Make sure you have a tree that comes out of there, at least one. A food swing. A swing right there. And a thing that goes up over there in the ceiling. And this. These things can cost $20. I made this by taking some metal wire and taking it and twisting it around some dog toy that I bought. Twisting it around. And I got from Dollar Tree, a dog toy. Twisting it, I unknotted it, twisted the metal wire around, then kind of like molded it. So that's way to save money on doing those things, using that. So that's like the end of this video. Oh, also make sure afterwards put your gravel down. You need about 2 tons. Afterwards, put your gravel down, and you're done. Go ahead and make sure everything's set up right. You're done. That's the end of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share. Bye.